I am with Mr. Marc Gill, who you guys probably have seen him on TV. He's the official spokesperson for Ronco. So what are you guys doing here today?
Well, I mean, we're talking about the whole Ronco family of products, from the Showtime rotisserie to, the original Pocket Fisherman, the pasta maker, our new Chip-tastic, and for the first time ever, we're launching the Ronco Ready Grill, and that we're really excited about.
So tell us about it. What is this grill?
This, so many people that work in the office, we keep talking about this is literally going to change lives, like the pasta maker did, like the rotisserie did. This is for the every person. This is for the person that wants to enjoy the great steak, the great burger, the great dog, the fish. This is for the person that wants to skip the thawing time from chicken and burgers to the freezer. This is for the every person to do every meal that you can think of. And I'll have you look here. It's a vertical basket system, and I think we've got a steak.
Oh, it smells so good.
Here. Now I'm going to turn this to the side for you,
and
you can see that steak is probably about the 2.5 to 3 inch thickness is what we're talking about. This is designed with an infrared cooking system on the inside. It cooks from the front, it cooks from the front and the back, from the inside out, all at the same time. So a 2.5 inch thick steak is going to be ready on the table, medium rare, in about 15 minutes with all of the fixings.
Wow.
Now that's steak. I mean, that's maybe that's a fancy dinner. If it's Tuesday and you just got to get the kids out of the house like herding cats, my friend Edie likes to say, and you just want a meal that's quick and fast. This is going to be the go-to appliance. Period. You can take chicken breasts out of the freezer. They're on the table in, I think, 24 minutes. Quarter-pound frozen hamburgers are on the table in 8 minutes. All of your convenience foods, so your jalapeno poppers, your game day food, your wings, they all fit in this basket, which is just, absolutely fantastic. And then there's the intangibles that, really don't have anything to do with cooking, but have a lot to do with the user experience. And I've always said, it doesn't matter how well something cooks or works, if it's hard to clean, you will never use it again. Okay?
That is true.
Every part of this machine that comes in contact with food is removable and dishwasher safe, all right? Right down to the drip tray that's in front. Now, by the way, this drip tray also falls in line with everything that Ronco's about, which is healthy meals, fast, fresh, and what it does is it allows the food to retain its juices, to retain its flavor, but all the fat is going to drip away into this tray, which is just, it's out of this world. So you've got all the benefits of all the different means of cooking without any of the drawbacks. You've got the speed, you've got the great cleanup, you've got the small profile. If your appliances are more like jewelry for your kitchen than just an appliance, you've got the red, you've got the black, we've got brand new copper, we've got the blue. This is really going to be, Ronco's next monster item for sure.
Now, do you think this is going to replace your oven, your microwave? Do you think this is kind of the next big thing?
And that's what it's about. It's about getting the quality food, fast. You can throw a chicken breast in the microwave, but I don't recommend it. Right. So, you can do them at microwave speeds in here, but still get that great, caramelized exterior, that juicy interior that comes from being able to cook foods at the proper temperature, the right distance from the heating elements. Just all of the elements come together in the Ready Grill. I know it's been in development for 2 or 3 years. This is the first chance we've gotten to share it with anybody, and we are really excited about it. And it falls in line with the whole Ronco brand. Innovative products, and again, products that change people's lives. That's what it's all about.